What is up, guys? My name is Benji. Welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to change your system-wide font using the latest iOS 11 to 11.1.2 Electra Jailbreak. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. So as you can see here on my device, when you look at different text, the font is different from the system font that Apple has installed. So as you can see here, even in my widgets page, the font for everything is completely different. So a couple of things you will need to install these fonts is, number one, you will need a computer. This could be a Mac or a PC. And number two, you need to have an SSH client, so something like CyberDuck or WinSPC. And then number three, of course, you will need to be jailbroken using the Electra Jailbreak. So this only works for iOS 11 all the way up to 11.1.2. And number four, you will need Anemone, which is basically the app we'll be using to apply these fonts to your device. And this already does come pre-installed with Electra, so you don't have to worry about installing it unless, of course, you have deleted it. And number five, of course, you need a stable Wi-Fi connection or this won't work. Number six, you will need the Anemone font files if you're using Electra Beta 7 or over, I think, because it has been removed in one of the betas, so you have to re-add it. So we'll drop the Anemone font files in the description below. And number seven, you will need the Anemone font theme you want to install. So I will drop a couple of links to some in the description below. Alright, so you want to go to your computer and you want to open up your SSH client. So in my case, this is CyberDuck. Then once you have your SSH client open, you want to click open connection and you want to connect to your device. So you want to put in your server, which is your IP address, which you can find by going into settings, Wi-Fi, and tapping the I on the Wi-Fi connection. And there you should find your IP address. You want to type that into CyberDuck. And then you want to put in your username, which by default is root. And then the password by default is Alpine. So that is spelled A-L-P-I-N-E. And then you want to go onto here and you want to make sure you have selected SFTP SSH file protocol, and then you want to click connect. So then once you are connected to your device, we want to install the Anemone font files. So you want to go to your root folder, you want to go into bootstrap, library, and then SB inject. Then you want to open your Anemone fonts folder here and you want to drag these two files into SB inject. So this will basically give you the ability to apply fonts within Anemone. So then once you've done that, you want to install your theme. So you want to install your theme. We're going to be using Alright Sans here. So we want to drag this into the themes folder. You can open up the themes folder and drag it in there. So then after you've done that, you want to go into Anemone and you want to tap on fonts here and you want to tap the font you want to enable. So we've installed Alright Sans, so we want to select that. You want to tap preview and then you want to tap apply. Then wait for your device to respring, and then there we go. The theme should be installed and all of your fonts should change system-wide. So that is pretty cool. So there you go, guys. That is how you change your system-wide font on the latest Electra Jailbreak. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like these, be sure to smash that like button down below. And of course, if you have any issues or problems, or if you even have any video suggestions of videos you want to see, let me know down in the comment section below. And if you are new around here and you haven't already, be sure to smash that subscribe button down below and click the bell icon next to it, so then you'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can get to my videos early and you won't miss an upload. But for now, guys, thank you so much for watching. My name is Benji and I'll catch you guys in my next video.